Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can harness full power of Leonardo.ai and Blue Willow AI. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So if you go to app.leonardo.ai, here you can generate images, and the great feature is that you can also generate prompts. So click on this prompt generation button and then just type a basic prompt idea here, and once you have typed in the basic prompt, click on this button in order to generate prompts. And here you can see it has generated some prompts. So just copy the prompt which is best for you and go to your Blue Willow AI, and here you can just type in slash imagine and then just paste the prompt that we just copied from there. Just hit the enter key and your image will be generated. That's how you can use the power of Blue Willow and Leonardo.ai. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.